Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both triple Q and SPY gapping down. We have a clear downtrend, giving me a bearish sentiment on the day. Nvidia and Tesla also gapping down. Going into market open, I'll probably look to short SPY by buying some SPX puts. I'll wait for SPY to give me a quick bounce and I should see it fail. We do have around 10 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. Three minutes into market open, no trades as of yet. $450, I'm trying to get in. Two out at 480. One at 5. Just holding one contract. Out. $200. Great way to start the day. Now I'll keep watching for a second trade. First 5-minute candle to make a new high. We have immense strength right now, so not looking to go short. Feeling around this area. Low was 370 and now it's at 560. Double bottom. Sorry guys, I had to take care of some stuffs from my day job, so I could not continue trading. I just took one trade on the day. The first 15 minutes or so, I took just one trade, making over $200. I did see a lot of opportunities, but I could not continue trading. Things have slowed down now, and I don't want to try to force a trade, so I'll call it a day. Overall, a decent day of trading, making $200. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.